Hello everyone, this is Robyn. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for visiting me on my channel at mypinkstamper.com. Today I have a super quick video for you. I really want to spotlight and showcase Stampin' Up's amazing designer series paper. So I'm going to be showing the Royal Peacock designer series paper over here. But the stamp set that I'm actually going to be using is the Beautiful Friendship stamp set. And it's going to be a super quick card, so follow along with me and I will show you step by step. If you're new to my videos, welcome. I'll have all of the item codes as well as the description directly on the screen here. Everything you see in today's video can be ordered directly from my shopping page, shopmypinkstamper.com. And I'm Robyn, so I hope you will sit back and relax and enjoy this video tutorial today. All right, the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm using a scrap piece of our Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to be using this flower right here from the Beautiful Friendship stamp set. And the color that I'm using is Blueberry Bushel ink pad. I'm going to just open that up. And I have this already on one of our blocks. This is one of our photopolymer stamp sets. So it really helps that you have a foam pad underneath. I'm using our Pierce Matte to give it a little extra cushion. Go ahead and stamp this kind of in the middle. I'm going to be using one of our dies to go around it, so I want to make sure I have plenty of room. Okay, that's all I need the Blueberry Bushel for. The next thing I'm going to do is I didn't hear that close all the way. I'm going to be using our old olive ink pad, and I'm going to be using some of the leaves. I'll just add a couple down here. And this is more of a watercolor look stamp set. I'm going to add one up here as well. Okay. And that is all the stamping for now. We have one more thing to stamp at the very end of this video. Okay, I'm pulling out my die cut machine, and I'm going to be using one of our stitched nested label dies. I'm going to frame that right around this. I'm okay to cut out a little bit of the leaves if I need to. I'm going to run that through. And now we just have one more stamp, and then we're going to put this card together, and then I'm done. I've already whipped out a dozen of these this morning. Super fast card. If you're in a hurry or you want to make some beautiful card sets for family or friends, this is a great design for you. Okay, so now I'm going to use our Memento Tuxedo black ink pad, and I'm stamping the sentiment, "So very happy to know you." So if you've placed an order on my shopping page in the last few weeks, you may be getting this card as my thank you card to you. I custom or hand stamp and hand make all of my thank you cards to every single customer who places an online order from my shopping page. All right, so now I have our thick Whisper White cardstock. It's cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And I'm going to fold it in half. Okay. Now I'm going to be using some of our SNAIL adhesive. If you're looking for a quick and easy adhesive, I love the SNAIL. And what I love about it, it's refillable. So you can just toss this part, and for a fraction of the price, you can get a whole new refill. Okay, I'm going to add adhesive on all four sides so you can see why I need refills, because I like to use a lot of adhesive. Okay, and I'm going to just put that on right there. This is the Noble Peacock Designer Series paper. It's cut at 4 inches by 5.25. Forgot to mention that. I want to make sure I don't forget. Now I'm using our Noble Peacock foil, and this is the old olive from the pack, and it's cut at 1/2 inch by 5.25. And I'm going to put this about maybe 1/3 from the bottom. Now I'm going to take my main focal point, and I'm using our foam adhesive strips. Just going to tear some of these on here. Look how quick and easy that is. I'm always looking for quick and easy ways to make projects. Okay, and I'll just peel off the backings. backing of all of these. And now, here we go. That was my quick and simple card for you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can find me and more of my videos, projects, weekly giveaways directly on my website, mypinkstamper.com. If you're new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, please leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.